Pulled apart in there. Like, look at that right there. Hey guys, it's Mike at Narcs Limited Customs, working on an 05 Dodge Grand Caravan today. My grandmother daily drives this, 190,000 miles. We're putting motor mounts and a passenger strut in. So I figured I'd just bring you guys along. We'll throw some time lapse in. I'll give some tips, things like that throughout the process, and hope you enjoy it. Just start to work on the strut on this side, and you can see the bolts here. These right here are 21 millimeter, and then behind there's a bolt right here. Beep, 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 beep. That's a 10 millimeter. This is a 19 and a number 6. They're like, come on. Yeesh. You can see it's busted, and so I just wonder what's going on. Oh, you guys probably can't see that, but it's like pulled apart in there. Like, look at that right there. So I'm sure this is part of our rattle. One thing I like about Dodge is they really think about easy stuff. So you pop this inner fender well back, and the bolt is right in that hole right there, so you can get to it easily. That takes care of the top bolt, and then the other two bolts that are like down here on the sides, you can get to underneath it. This is probably a 2-hour job maybe. All right, quick tip. Loosen the motor mount we talked about under the front. Loosen it down. Don't take the bolts all the way out. Loosen it down. Let it come where you've got 3 or 4 threads inside the bolt hole. That will allow the engine to pivot. Take a big pry bar like this. Push the driver's side engine down using the frame as a pivot point. Pushing it down allows it to slide out of the slot that it has for protection, obviously. So it slides out of the slot, and then you can basically pivot across and out like that. All right, guys, I want to say thanks for watching all the way to the end. Typically, we don't work on this kind of stuff. We work on boosted LS. We just added a turbo to our death cart, things like that. So if you are into that kind of stuff, definitely subscribe to the channel. If you can't wait and to see us on our video releases every Tuesday and Friday at 7 p.m. here on YouTube. You can find us on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, where we post almost every day. All right, guys, thanks so much. See ya.